If you're snoring or sleeping with your mouth open or tethered to a CPAP machine, you're leaking energy, and it's a biological drain that, left unaddressed, leads to a laundry list of spiraling health problems. G'day, I'm James Corber, a postural alignment specialist from Straighten Up in Kingscliff. And working with my good mate, Dr. Chris Gilchrist from Unwind Chiropractic in Lilyfield, we've discovered that leaks happen to you because your nervous system is jammed in the on mode. I've lived with this struggle for over 20 years. I know the exhaustion of waking up feeling like you've been in a battle all night. Chris and I made an unexpected discovery: the gift of how to create repeatable, deep quality sleep that allows you to access your body's own inbuilt repair system. In my clinic, I've used a physiological override to break the cycle. Ironically, for the cost of a single coffee, I'll teach you the off switch. It's a 60-second instructional video that resets the vagus nerve and signals to the system to stop the drain. It's not a meditation, it's a felt science circuit reset. So once you've plugged the leak, I'll invite you to my workshop, the Gateway to Better Sleep, where I'll show you the full routine to remove the neurological blocks so that repeatable, deep, quiet, effortless sleep becomes your new reality. So click the link, grab the $5 off switch video, and let's plug the leak together.